Today we're gonna work on Joseph's MR2. So we actually stop it. Today we're gonna work on Joseph's MR2 and over here, you hold it like last time. Today we're gonna be working on Joseph's MR2. Today we're gonna be working on Joseph. Today we're gonna be. Today we're gonna be working on Joseph's MR2. Today we're gonna be Joseph on MR2. Okay, so today we're gonna be working on Joseph's MR2. We're gonna put back the. What are we gonna put back? Today we're gonna be working on Joseph's MR2. Today we're gonna be pressure washing the engine bay. Today we're gonna be working on Joseph's MR2, aka Mr2, and we're gonna be washing and putting back the radiator. We have the pressure washer. We're gonna hook it up right now, and we're gonna be washing this whole area because, as you can see, it's pretty dusty, and my finger's dirty right now, and that's not good. Not a good look. So we're gonna wash it, and we're gonna put back the radiator. And I don't know, are you gonna customize the radiator? Are you gonna customize the radiator like
No.
with Toyota?
No.
Okay. We also have the fans right here for the radiator, and we're gonna place or put back because remember Dad washed them, he cleaned them, so we're gonna clean them and then we're gonna put them back over here. This is where they go, behind the radiator or in front of the radiator. I can't remember, but we're gonna figure out something. What is this man doing? Here's an update on the MR2 bumper. School sucks. They didn't do anything. It's still broken, so we're gonna see if we can fix it ourselves. Buy a plastic welder and put that thing back together. Who took the badge off? It's pretty cool though that you can see the badge. What's it called? Sunburn.
To the bag of dogs.
You know how they burn cows? Imagine burning a cow with a Toyota logo.
Yeah.
Did you also know that the Toyota logo has the word Toyota inside of it?
Huh?
The Toyota logo has the letters inside of the logo.
Where's Y?
Why?
Yo. Where's A? Shut up.
Oh, we also have an engine block here.
Did Dad put on the bolts?
The bolts? I don't know.
Spray Windex all the way around, and then flip it over, same thing, that too, everywhere.
Start spraying the Windex.
Shouldn't we get some tape to cover this?
Joseph,
Nah, just don't spray it.
Joseph,
There.
just don't put water in
Should
there.
I cover this?
You don't have to.
Just don't spray it in there,
Yeah,
like directly.
Don't spray it, and then just leave it hanging like that.
Yeah, you should be good like that.
So just
Yeah, like this. Look. Like. Move your phone from there. Every single part. See? It's gotta be nice and clean. After we let it soak for a little bit, then we can spray with a pressure washer. Okay, all the way around here we have to straighten this thing because it's bent. This is what I got these tools right here.
Oh, a little fun fact about these rims that are on the MR2. These are actually discontinued, and the company that made them, they don't exist no more. So Joseph technically has like these rare wheels, and this is what they look like. Actually, this is bad lighting because this area right here is like painted white, and then this part's like gray. Here, let me show you these. So these rims, if you see right here, there's the logo right there. It says Eagle Alloys, and I tried looking them up online and I cannot find these anymore. There was a set I seen on Reddit. They had some too, and I read the comments saying that those rims and company does not exist no more, so technically they're rare. Okay, so we just finished spraying a little bit, so later on after that dries, or not dries, but after it's done soaking, we're gonna spray it with the pressure washer, wipe it all down, have it nice and clean, good to go. Oh, and this, we also have to straighten this out somehow with these tools. So we're gonna make that nice and flat. Spraying these down next with a little bit of Windex. Have them nice and clean. We're also gonna be washing these with the pressure washer, so then we can put it back over here into the engine and have it nice and clean. A little known fact about this car is that these fenders right here, this is custom made. This is custom made because look, you can see this guy who previously owned MR2, he cut around the fender, and you know, it looks pretty bad, or like you could tell it's just handmade. So he did that, but it's pretty cool though. But yeah, that's a little known fact about that. Custom made. Also over here, this antenna doesn't fit properly on the car. As you can see, these are the original holes right here, and there's another one right here, and this one just doesn't like properly fit and secure in these holes right here. So he added something right here, a new antenna. In case you don't believe me, this is an MR2 right here. It's an MR2. This is probably rare. I might sell this when Joseph's not looking, because that's it. Ready? Hold on.
Yes, sir.
Hold on tight. It's going down or up. Hopefully I can hold you in one hand.
Chill.
Wait.
Flat. Now I'll put the hammer right here. Like that. Put that right here. Going that way. Straight, like that.
Here goes the new radiator for the MR2.
Move the hose, Chito. This one? Yeah, move it up.
So the AC condenser and the radiator is on. The hoses are a pain. If you're an MR2 owner, these hoses give you nightmares. This was kind of hard to put it back into the area with a slot, so we're gonna do that tomorrow. We can't do it right now because the floor is wet from us pressure washing this area, so we're gonna hold off on that until tomorrow. We'll put it back in.
Scraper. There's a scraper right there on the back that I bought.
We're masking the fans to get it ready to paint or spray paint. Joseph's gonna spray paint them because he's the man. We finally finished painting the fans. Now we're just letting it dry, and this is the first coat, and I think that's all the coat we're gonna need. So now we're just waiting for it to dry, and we'll install it tomorrow.